Hey guys, so my name is Marcus. I'm new to YouTube, and I hope you guys like my video. But today we're playing slime in the freezer for 15 minutes. It already been about 5 minutes because I was doing a video. It just logged me out, and I don't know how, but it logged me out. And I'm really new to YouTube. It's my first video, and that's my sister. She's gonna be helping me today. She's probably gonna be in most of my videos because my name's So we'll let you see. It's gonna be, if it's all chalky, we're good. But after 15 minutes, we're gonna take it out, and it's mostly like an experiment. And we're just gonna look at it right now. We're not gonna do nothing about it. We're just gonna look. That slime is blue. You can see some. I think you guys can see some stuff there. But after 10 minutes, because we already started doing 5 minutes of it, and we're gonna check. It's like if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If you do it, if it does work, congratulations, good job to us. That's all I'm gonna say. And right now, we're just gonna be playing some basketball with my sister.
So first, we're gonna have a race on basketball. Let me talk to.
Don't listen to her. She's just.
You're mean. You're gonna do the whole thing.
And so here we go. We're doing the basketball video out here.
I'm telling on you.
And
I'm Daddy.
And she's gonna tell me because she's a little snitch. But right now, I want her to play basketball with us. So here she is. You guys might see a door because I'm trying to fix this.
It's backwards.
No, let me just go. Sorry guys about the bad camera. Remember, this is my first time. No, let me put it right there. Then can you see? Hi guys, Marcus is right here. It might be bad cameraing, but I will tell you who made this shot. You guys cannot see. Sorry guys. Never mind. I'm not gonna try that. That was just bad stuff. You know, I'm gonna put it right here. Right here. Okay, so then we're gonna play basketball like this. Like that. Boom.
Let me talk now. Okay.
So,
first we're gonna play basketball.
You already know, Megan. Alright, so I'm gonna let her have ball first because she's a girl. And go, Megan, come on. I always let her make the shot. If she doesn't make the shot, I go for the rebound. But she guards me good. I get the rebound. You guys watching? Alright, and here.
Let's see who wins in basketball. I'm gonna win.
One to 0, guys. I'm winning by a point.
We have timer right there.
Yep, and it's 3 minutes, so 10 minutes, we're done. We're gonna get this line. We're gonna see. So, oof. Hey, oh no, I airball. Guard me, Megan. Don't look at him. Oh! I just dunked at her. 2-0.
You're gonna mess
Come
up
on, let's go. Come on.
You're gonna mess up the video. I'm so sorry.
Come on, I'm let her shoot. Like I said, she doesn't make it.
We don't make it because I'm not the best basketball girl.
She stinks. All right, guard me, Megan. I just dunked. Guard me.
See this like my video.
Guard me, Megan. Don't look at me. She's got me good. But I'll take the shot. Ooh. It's still 2-0. I'm gonna shoot. Just make it. Still 2-0. And there you go. 3-0. I just dunked it. So here we go. She's gonna cheat. She's gonna cheat, everyone. She got the booster and she's probably gonna shoot. Shoot. She airballs it. Even when she was on the booster. She stinks. Oh. button is why. Yeah, Big 14 in a car.
Marcus, you lost.
So we're done right now. It was first 1 to 5. My sister did good, but right now, I'm gonna do the cameraing.
Now.
And I'm gonna dunk it from that booster right there. But I'll move it right here so I get a better jump. And let's go.
Let's do it again, Marcus, so we can check some later.
Alright, you guys watching?
I'm watching.
Right here.
My turn.
Alright.
It's mine. I need a turn.
So, I just dunked it, if you guys didn't see. Yep. So, 4 more minutes until the slime's probably done. And right now, in the comic, I want you guys to say if this experiment's gonna work before. If you guys, what was your prediction before, and what was the answer? Please write that comment. Please smash the like button. Please smash the subscribe button. Please, just please. And
Let's go check the slime.
now we're gonna check the slime. So my sister Megan is gonna go get the slime.
You stay here.
I'm gonna stay here.
I'll get the ladder.
And she don't get the ladder for some reason.
You don't need to the ladder.
See? But, yeah. We're just going to wait here. 5 hours later. Oh, God. Something touched me. I don't know what it was, but something touched me. So here comes the slime.
Now, first we're going to mix it.
No, we're not going to mix it. Give me it. Give me it. Don't listen. So,
Shush.
everybody look. Is it crunchy? Let me put this in light. Because right now, you guys cannot see a thing. And let's feel it. Oh, that's hard. Well, it's half of it's crunchy and half of it's not. So that's the prediction.
You should have pinned the back of it.
See, that's it. Stop touching it. And right here,
It's good.
it's all country. On this half, it's all crunchy, and then on this half, it's not country. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you, Megan, for volunteering. Say hi.
We're gonna do another.
We're probably gonna do another video.
I
Let's go. See ya.